You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Huawei has just dropped the MateBook Fold Ultimate Edition in a brand new color, sharp red, and it looks incredible. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's dive in. First off, we've got the Ultimate Edition logo right here, something the previous version didn't have. And check this out. The leather laptop pouch is black on the outside, but the interior is this deep, luxurious red. Super premium vibes. The 140-watt charger still uses a single port design, but if you peek inside the USB-C port, it's red too. Nice little detail. And here comes the vertical leather Star Moon travel keyboard in red. It snaps on magnetically, the keycaps are black on top, the underside is red, and the whole vertical leather theme continues across the entire back. The shade of red here is really subtle. You can feel the richness, but it's not loud or flashy. It's a calm, balanced red that somehow feels very high-end, almost like it carries a touch of Eastern aesthetics. Inside the device, the red accents continue. The MateBook Fold Ultimate Edition has a gold frame paired with glossy red highlights, and the hinge blends both red and gold. Unlike the vertical leather earlier, this design is inspired by the Chinese Jinrui Festival, created by Asia Venki, symbolizing good fortune. Under the light, you can see different layers and textures, creating soft, refined shadows. It's beautifully done. Let's power it on. The boot animation is red, of course. Once we're in the system, you'll notice the wallpaper's base layer actually resembles that same vertical leather texture with red and gold festival-inspired patterns embossed on top. It mirrors the craftsmanship on the back of the device. Now, switching from landscape to portrait, you can see the animation shift smoothly. Folding it shows how the gold accents transition across the hinge. Let me bring up the virtual keyboard. Look at that, red and gold again, with fireworks at the bottom. Now you get the idea. This is HarmonyOS on a foldable computer in sharp red. It's not just a tech product, it's a statement piece, and honestly, it makes a great gift. The color, the design, the details, this is what emotional value looks like. There's another neat feature in the desktop personalization panel. Swipe down and you can customize the central axis. Huawei gives you full freedom with it now. Most people probably use it for reminders or goals, like setting a financial target for the year, which is a little boring if you ask me. If it were up to me, I'd type something like, "What are you staring at?" Look again and I'll then add some emojis, confirm it, and boom. What are you looking at? Look again and I'll demote you. And look at the decorations below. Seasonal holiday effects. An early Happy New Year to all of you. This kind of playful emotional value, love it. Switch to uppercase and suddenly there's an Easter egg, a horse icon. Next year happens to be the year of the horse. Clever little touch. And this entire red-themed keyboard layout is literally called Get Rich Immediately. Most of the time, here's how I use the foldable form. I'm sitting at the back of a real estate office, unfold the device, open it up, prop it, and instantly I've got an 18-inch display. Perfect for watching videos, going through photos, anything. For example, here's a photo I shot on my phone. I open Meitu Shushu on the MateBook, tap the phone, and the picture just jumps over. Can you slim my waist? Sure. And even though the screen is huge, it makes editing effortless. Need to open a PowerPoint? Just tap once. Our goal, 1 year to secure financing, 3 years to break even, 5 years to go public. Video clips? Tap, and they're automatically added to the simple material library. These are all Zunjian's shots. Select everything, tap, and all 12 images pop right into the document folder. Then you can send edited images straight back to your phone. Tap the document, tap the device. Done. That right there is what I call efficiency. HarmonyOS makes everything feel smooth and elegant. No extra steps, no cables, no hassle. Just touch your phone to the computer screen and the transfer happens instantly. This is one of the standout upgrades HarmonyOS computers get with HarmonyOS 6. There's another really impressive feature now. Xiaoyi can actually help me handle a ton of tasks. Let me show you. First, Xiaoyi. Xiaoyi, tell me what material the seats in the Zunjian S800 are made of. And just like that, Xiaoyi replies. The Zunjian S800 uses charred leather with the perforated sections on both the standard seats and the optional aviation wind seats made of genuine leather. Other areas are wrapped in premium materials too, like imported top-grain calf skin. So basically, if there's something you don't know, just ask Xiaoyi. But that was still pretty basic. Let's get a little lazier and throw in some more commands. Xiaoyi, set a reminder for me at 5 p.m. today. Lower the screen brightness a bit, change the mouse color to red, open Zhongwang CAD, and Done. Everything executed flawlessly. Mouse now red. And all of that was powered by Xiaoyi's quick thinking mode. Now let's push it further. Xiaoyi, help me write a business plan outlining the 3-step strategy for profitability and going public with a new energy vehicle brand. Deep thinking mode activated. Look at this. He first pulls in key information from external knowledge sources. Once that's done, he breaks everything down for me. The background, the market demand, unbelievably detailed. And he even wraps it up with a conclusion, positioning it as a new benchmark among China's luxury new energy brands. I don't even have that much ambition, but hey, the result is definitely usable. So next, Xiaoyi, turn all of that into a mind map. He starts condensing and organizing the info, and in seconds, done. Mind map opened. This is the classic Wanxing mind map interface. Let me zoom in. See? Project overview, market analysis, everything neatly laid out. Super clean, super accurate. And there's also this white made by full mind mapping tool, which I've been relying on since day one. For me, its biggest value is how it boosts my mobile productivity. Whenever I'm on a business trip, I sit at the hotel desk, unfold the device, and instantly, wow. I may be carrying a laptop, but suddenly I've got an 18-inch display in front of me. That's the magic of foldables. And think about it. HarmonyOS has only been out for under half a year, yet it's already gone from HarmonyOS 5 to HarmonyOS 6. The change I feel most clearly is, first, there are way more apps now, and those apps have gotten more capable. Second, HarmonyOS 6 added a bunch of new functions, including tap to interact. Honestly, whoever invented that deserves an award. It's so natural, so intuitive. My workflow just gets faster and faster. This is what real collaboration feels like. This is true interaction. And that's why my biggest impression of HarmonyOS is that the more you use it, the better it gets. With all these smart upgrades, the system keeps evolving, and you can actually feel it becoming more powerful and more satisfying over time. If you want a more dramatic, humorous, cinematic, or shorter version, just let me know.